Stop burning your budget on overpriced AI subscriptions that limit your creativity. While competitors are raising prices, Alibaba Cloud is changing the game by offering their world-leading Qwen and Wan models with massive entry deals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage this power to automate your content and video production without spending a dime up front. Before we start, Alibaba Cloud is offering 70 million tokens for free for you to start using on 80 plus AI products for a limited time only. Go sign up for your account today. So here we are on Alibaba Cloud, and today we're going to be checking out Qwen. Qwen is the most downloaded open source model family in the world, designed to deliver high precision results at a fraction of the cost. Qwen is the engine behind the intelligence, focusing on its ability to handle complex reasoning rather than traditional models. Qwen itself supports trillion-scale data training, making it robust enough for professional-grade enterprise tasks or just simple daily automation. With over 1 billion downloads milestone being hit recently, this really is immediate credibility and trust. And personally, guys, I've been using Qwen for a while now, and I'm heavily impressed. So to get involved with Qwen, all you got to do is go to the dashboard, and then we select the Qwen models. Here we can see tons of different information about the models. If we go back to the dashboard here, this is where we can use the model. So we've got our Qwen model selected, and then we can select different features here. So this is where we can try the models. We've got image generation, video generation, or just visual understanding. We can also go in the playground here and select various different models depending on what we want this workflow to do. So let's go ahead and try a prompt here. Create a 30-day social media strategy for a fashion brand targeting Gen Z customers with content ideas, posting schedule, and growth tactics. And then all we do is hit enter and let the AI get to work. Now, along with Qwen, there's also the Wan model too. So if we go ahead and click Wan, it's going to take us to that model set. Now, Wan is the next generation AI creation platform, and it's the latest breakthrough in video generation, allowing users to master visuals and fine-tune stories effortlessly. It's powered by Alibaba Cloud, everything you need in one powerful AI cloud. To get to this, all we have to do is go to the video generation tab. So you can see in the top here, we click that. This is where we can actually go ahead and start creating videos. Let's scroll down, find a Wan model, and then we can upload an image or select an example image to go with. We then have an example prompt that it gives us. So we have a woman that leads gracefully by a car door, wearing a red pleated long dress in a retro-toned interior. Now, if we want to use our own image, all we can do here is simply press the upload an image button, select one of our images, and then it's going to give us a prompt here too. So we have a futuristic coastal city at sunset, etc., describing the scene. Now from there, we can select our resolution, our duration, which can go up to 15 seconds, and we can also input a seed, prompt extend, or even upload audio to put in this as well. Once we're happy, we simply press generate. Now, once that's finished generating, we can see our final video here. This is absolutely incredible. This could be great for B-roll footage or just any kind of creator story that you can think of. And there's also many other features here in this. So we can see we had image to video, which is what we just did. We have text to video, and of course, reference to video too, in which, yes, we could drag and upload our own reference video, and it's going to base its video off of that. Let's try text to video here. So we can see a futuristic African city at sunset with flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic and dramatic camera movement. And we can scroll down and select everything that we need here, as well as the aspect ratio, which is called 2 for different content styles. And here we can see that we do in fact have that video made from our exact prompt. Now, if we wanted to change this, we can change certain aspects of the prompt. It's going to change the video accordingly. So we can generate that and see what it comes back with here. This looks a lot better, and the cinematography is fantastic. So as you can see, we've generated a ton of different things here, really showing that this is a platform that is essentially limitless in terms of its capabilities. So if you are someone that's a creator or wants high quality visual storytelling, this could definitely be a platform that you should be using, because we've gone from prompt box to a generated video. Now, this is because the visual understanding models effectively integrate thinking and non-thinking modes to support superior recognition. This allows for ultra long video understanding, which is a game changer for analyzing existing content. This multimodal approach means that AI doesn't just see pixels, it perceives context and recognition across complex datasets. Now, there's also visual perception analysis. So we can upload a high resolution image like so, and the perception tool will identify specific objects or complex behaviors within the file. So we can press enter and we'll get a full AI generated report that details the recognition and perception data extracted. Now we can see the accuracy here is pretty incredible. We've got text anomalies, uniformity, and hyperrealism all tracked. Now Alibaba provides a comprehensive ecosystem where Qwen and One work together seamlessly under one roof. So if you want to check this out for yourself, definitely hit the link in the description and sign up for an account because you can actually enjoy 70 million tokens for free for a limited time only. Go ahead and do that. Stop overpaying for AI and start building with the world's most powerful open source models. Click the link in the description to explore Alibaba Cloud and try Qwen and One for yourself today.